So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you install SpaCy, which is a library used for machine learning and NLP. So firstly let's move in our VS Code and go here and then open your required folder. I will be creating a folder here, new folder named as SpaCy operations. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to create a main.py file, main.py. So what we will be doing is just simply importing SpaCy. You can see that this is showing a warning. Okay, let's try having a print statement imported correctly. Okay, just save this one and now let's try running this one. You can see that there is an error named as no module found SpaCy. You have to install this one actually. Pip install SpaCy. When you hit this command, this will start installing your SpaCy in your system. This will take some seconds. I will fast forward this video. Okay guys, you need to make sure that you are currently using Python 3.11 because the Python 3.13, that is the latest version, does not support SpaCy. So go here and choose 3.11 version. And you have to also check for that the version which your terminal is using. Yeah, my terminal is also using 3.11 version now. So now I can install SpaCy here. Pip install SpaCy. It is showing requirement already satisfied because I have already downloaded SpaCy here. You can also see that the warning which was coming is also removed now. Now let's try running this program. You can see that this line is being printed now. That means we have successfully installed our SpaCy in VS Code. So that's all for this video guys. Now let's see you next time.